If you use Pixlr and you want to work faster, cleaner, and with way less clicking, these 5 shortcuts can save you a surprising amount of time. Whether you're editing photos, making thumbnails, or just cleaning up graphics, learning a few keyboard shortcuts can completely change your workflow. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 Pixlr shortcuts that save hours of work, and I'll show you exactly how to use each one step by step. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first shortcut is one of the most useful in all of Pixlr, Spacebar for Instant Pan. No matter what tool you're using, if you press and hold the spacebar, Pixlr temporarily switches to the hand tool. That means you can click and drag around your canvas without changing tools manually. This is perfect when you're zoomed in and need to move across the image quickly. The best part is that as soon as you let go of the spacebar, Pixlr instantly returns you to your original tool, whether that was a brush, a selection tool, or something else. It's a simple shortcut, but once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever edited without it. Next up is Ctrl R on Windows or Command R on Mac for transform. This shortcut is especially useful when you want to resize, rotate, or adjust the position of a selected layer. Instead of hunting through menus, you can use the shortcut to bring up the transform bounding box right away. Once it appears, you can click and drag the corners to resize, rotate the layer as needed, or reposition it to fit your design. This is great for thumbnails, text overlays, stickers, and any element that needs quick adjustments. If you're editing multiple layers, this shortcut saves a lot of repetitive clicking and keeps your workflow moving. The third shortcut is Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on Mac for instant deselect. If you've ever made a selection and then needed to get rid of those marching ants quickly, this is the fastest way to do it. Instead of clicking around or trying to find the deselect option in the menus, just use the shortcut, and your active selection disappears immediately. This is especially useful after cutting out a subject, selecting an area for editing, or creating a precise shape on your canvas. It's a small action that keeps you from slowing down in the middle of your edit, and it helps keep your workspace clean and uncluttered. The fourth shortcut is holding Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac while using a drawing tool for instant color picker. This one is a huge time saver if you work with brushes, paint tools, or any kind of hand-drawn editing in Pixlr. When you hold the key, your brush temporarily turns into the eyedropper tool. That means you can sample any color directly from your image or layer without switching tools. Just tap the color you want, release the key, and you're back to drawing right away. This is ideal for matching skin tones, picking background colors, or keeping your artwork consistent. If you create graphics often, this shortcut can save you from constantly interrupting your flow. The fifth and final shortcut is Ctrl+0 or Command+0 on Mac for actual size or 100% zoom. This shortcut instantly snaps your canvas to a true 100% view, which is also called actual pixel size. That's important because it lets you inspect your image exactly as it will appear at normal viewing size. You can check sharpness, detail, and alignment more accurately, especially when you're working on text, icons, or fine edits. If you've been zoomed way in or way out, this shortcut gets you back to a reliable view in one quick move. It's one of those tiny habits that makes a big difference in how confidently you edit. So those are 5 Pixlr shortcuts that can seriously speed up your editing workflow. Spacebar for Instant Pan, Ctrl or Command+R for Transform, Ctrl or Command+D, D for Deselect, holding Ctrl or Command for instant color picking, and Ctrl or Command+0 for actual size. The more you use them, the more natural they'll feel, and the more time you'll save on every project. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick editing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.